kayong gumalaw, pwede pong...
Pwede.
Okay. Huwag naman masyado.
Para naman hindi yung...
Stiff.
Oo
sige,
nga,
wala.
stiff.
Go.
What is your first impression of Bon? Tito Roger.
Kasi Bon, nung una ko makita may konting edad para kay Camille, pero nakita ko simpatiko naman. Hindi nga William Martinez, so aga muna. Parang si Jay Alagan, okay na. At nakita ko naman responsable. At parang napansin ko, mahal yata talaga si Camille. Kaya swerte na rin si Camille. Talaga kay Bon.
Ikaw, ma?
My first impression of Bon, he's so mabait and he's right for Camille. And he'll spoil Camille.
Parang ako din.
That's it.
For me, it was, first impression was he was serious So, medyo serious lang. Bagay siguro kay Camille para opposite yung characters nila. Serious tapos funny. Pero, it could be funny at times. Pero first impression was medyo serious.
Stiff.
Hindi naman. Medyo lang. Pero okay naman. Parang, hindi ko naman napansin na yung age gap nila malaki. Pero, dahil ka lang. Pero okay naman. Serious siya, okay naman. Mabait.
So now that Camille's getting married, what will you miss most about her?
Sa akin, ang mamimiss ko sa kanya yung mga paglalabas namin. Sinasamahan ko siya sa mga clients niya. Tapos, mag-happening kami, magdi-dinner kami. Okay, we go to a movie. Siguro yung ganun. Nung araw, parang siya ang girlfriend ko. Dumating si Bon. Lumipat, pero may edad din ng konti. Pinuntahan.
Hello rin. What will I miss most?
Favorite.
My favorite. So when she'd always whenever I'm in the kitchen, she'd say, "Hey mom, can I help you? You need help?" She's like that. And sometimes she's so magulo. That's it.
Yeah, for me also, parang siyang, parang there's always a child at home. She's older than me, pero parang, what I miss most is, when you go home, parang may mga bata sa bahay, na maingay. Parang maraming children sa bahay, pero siya lang pala yun. Kasi makulit talaga eh. So, yun yung mamimiss ko the most, kasi parang kaming kulitan. And then, she acts sometimes strange, which is fun. And it's funny always. That's what I'm gonna miss the most, siguro.
Do you remember any instances na unforgettable experiences with Camille?
Actually, madami, kaya lang. Madami, it's always memorable. Every time we're together, it's always, basta masyadong okay din lahat. So, there's nothing in particular na I can really remember, but okay lang. So far, masaya lahat. So, nothing solid.
Anyway, Tito Roger, what first entered your mind when she said that she was gonna get married?
Ako sa wakas, at least pumayag na rin siyang magpakasal. Dahil parang nung una puro trabaho lang at saka mapili. Napansin ko, nasabi nga rin ni Pony, matagal din siya naghahanap. Pareho wala silang naghahanap na matagal. Talagang bagay siguro sila sa isa't isa. Pihikan sila parehas. At siguro, dumating din ang time na nakita nila na bagay silang dalawa.
Tita?
The first impression,
Ano?
I was sent
Hindi, first impression yung ano yata.
yeah.
Yung unang...
I wasn't surprised at all because I always had that feeling that it will be Bon, and they're really right for each other. That's it.
For me, siguro it's about time kasi she had plans, I think. Well, she was getting, not naman old, but you know, to that age na overstaying, nela ka lang. But parang it's about time na she didn't naman hurry up eh. So I could see naman na she enjoyed her life, yeah. And she took her time, and then when she finally found, you know, someone like Bon, and she realized she could really settle down with him. So okay lang, it's about time. So we really accepted it, like, you know, the open arms. So okay lang.
And your message to the couple?
Ako, message ko sa kanila, sana ang maging Christ-centered sila at saka kung meron silang mga tampuhan, huwag nilang itulog, magbati sila, they patch up things para hindi nagkakaroon ng distansya ang kanilang pagtingin sa bawat isa. Yun lang. How about you, ma'am?
For me, just stay happy and love one another. That's all.
For me siguro, tubuan siguro. Be more patient lang at times kasi mas okay naman si Camille kaya lang minsan makulit. So medyo I think naman they can work it out. Just I don't naman they'll love each other for the rest of their lives. So there won't be any problems there. Kaya lang minsan yun nga, makulit si Camille pero parang bata, okay lang. So masayahin din. So yun lang, they love each other lang. So
And for Camille?
And for Camille, well, message.
She's okay.
Wala lang. I think naman she can capable of, being a mother and a good wife of Tubuan. So there won't be any problems with her. Message with anytime she needs us, we're always here. And good luck, because I know they're gonna last naman for a long time.